In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a WhatsApp call. First of all, you will need to know that call recording laws vary by country. Always get consent from the other party before recording a call, or try to know at least the policy of call recording in your country or states. So in order now to do so, we would like to use as an example the voicemail or the voice memos on your iPhone or any other application that records the voice on your device. For the PC as an example, you can even use the voice recorder. So as an example, you would like to start using that before even joining the call. As an example, now I joined the call. I'm going to quit that and I'm going to call myself as an example. So let me just go to this WhatsApp and I'm going to click on this call. So as you can see right here, I'm called in and I'm just going to respond with my other phone and I'm going to mute both microphones so you don't hear any noise. So all you need to do, make sure that your call is on speaker. Once it is on speaker, you can just go back in here and start recording again. But as you can see, you'll find recording disabled. So to record voice memos, you'll need to end call. So as you can see, you'll not be able to use this option. So you can go and choose other call recorder apps. There's the Cube ACR, there's the call recorder by Bold Beast, and there's a lot of applications. But for me, I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use my PC instead. So in my PC, as you can see, I can just go and look for sound recorder. And what I'll have to do once the call starts, so I'm just going here to my WhatsApp. As you can see, here's the call. All I need to do, just make sure that you are on speaker and make sure to keep the microphone close to the phone. So when I hit record right here and I keep the phone close, they will be able to record everything from the call without any problem. Once you finish, just go and close the call as an example and just go and stop your recording. And you should have the recording of the call. This will work also if you are using WhatsApp Web. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.